Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about our second project. Our second project, we are going to create a e-commerce product display card. Let's understand with our output. This is the card which we need to create. So whenever you search for a product in e-commerce websites, the details of that product is going to be displayed on a card. We need to create that card. See, similarly, the images of the products will be shown like this. And after that, the cost of the product will be provided. Then the buy button will be provided. Then the title of the product and a description of the product has been provided. This is the card which we need to create using vibe coding. So let me show you how to do vibe coding one or two steps so that you can continue the remaining steps and do the vibe coding and generate this card. So let's understand, by if you are good at whatever the basics which we discussed in our previous classes, whatever the widgets we discussed and how we have written the code. If you are good at the basics, then immediately by looking at this card, immediately you are going to get some idea about which widgets we have used here. If you got that idea, giving the prompt and getting the code is very easy. Now let's open Google AI Studio, create a new chat. Okay, in the new chat, generate Flutter code. In the scaffold body, I need a container and in the container I need column layout, scrollable, and the first child of column layout is scrollable. Row layout contains 3 images. So up to here we are going to generate the code. Give me single file main dot. So up to here, later on we are going to add the code. See, when you run this, it is going to generate the code. Let's finish completely. When it stop here, then we can copy it and execute the code and we do modifications. Okay, so now copy the code. Let's try to execute it here. Control A. So when you run this code, let's see what's the output we got. See, this is the output which we got. It's completely wrong. So by looking at this, you need to do the modifications, what it has done, why we got the wrong output, which modifications we need to do. The images should be, so how the images will be are in the row layout, and the images has been not yet displayed. So now change the modification. How we can do that? In the above code, images should be in row layout. So it is going to do the modification. So it has changed the code, but it has not generated the complete code. So generate complete code. Okay. So, see here again, now the code has been changed. Images has been obtained in the row layout. See how many images it has provided. It has provided so many images. Again give the prompt. Go. I need only 3 images in the row layout. Modify and generate the complete code. See, whenever you do this, so by looking at the code, you need to understand what modifications, if you had that knowledge, how you are going to get that knowledge. If you done our previous classes, if you observe, if you had a good idea about our previous classes, and if you have done the code on your own, then you are going to get that idea. So immediately copy the new code and again try to execute it. Control A. Let's see what happens. So there is a problem in the code. Like that we have to check the code. Maybe I copied it before stopping the code. Now let's copy the code. Okay. See here, it has changed to how many images? 3 images. And I want to change the size of the images. See, the images sizes are very small. Now I want to change the size of the image. Again do the prompt. The size of the images should be 300 width and 300 height. Do modifications and give me complete code. Again it is going to generate the code. So by looking at the code, if you got that idea what modifications you have to do. So here you don't need this, so remove this. Here you don't need this, remove this. Instead of this, add whatever you needed. Below the images you need a price tag and a buy button. So give the prompt, it is going to change. So remove the remaining children. In the column layout, all these are children's. If you got that idea what modifications you need to do in the given code, if you had that basic intuition about coding, then you can easily give the prompt and do the modifications. This is what you need to do. By using this vibe coding, you have to generate our complete project. Once you got used to this, then you can do all the Android applications very easily using vibe coding. Hope everyone is going to do the vibe coding and generate our second project. If you have any questions regarding the concepts, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.